Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs for my subscriber. If you want your free house design, so you can comment below. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan of this house with all the sizes and complete details. So keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of this house. The total area I have taken is, the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 13 feet 4 inches in meter 4 meter. In the front we have a step here and a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have a living area. The size of the living room is 9 feet 8 inches into 8 feet 4 inches in meter 2.94 into 2.54 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, also TV unit in the front wall. We have a large size window for ventilation and the light purpose. After that we will go on the left side. We have a room here. The size of the room is 9 feet 4 inches 8 feet 4 inches in meter 2.84 into 2.54 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and also a TV unit arrangement on the front wall. We have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and also we have a powder room with this room. So the size of the powder room is 3 feet into 4 feet in meter 0.91 into 1.21 meter. After that we will go inside. So we have a kitchen, top right corner. The size of the kitchen is 7 feet into 4 feet in meter 2.13 into 1.21 meter. You can see here the burner and the sink and also refrigerator arrangement. We have a large size window for ventilation of the kitchen also. On the left side we have a wash basin here and also a common washroom plus water closet. You can see here water closet and the shower area both are separate, and also the size of the washroom plus water closet is 6 feet into 4 feet in meter 1.82 into 1.21 meter, and also we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of this house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so you can comment below. Keep watching the videos. Stay tuned in my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.